Hi there. In this last video, I'll show you some hub monitoring. Now, as users access the system, you'll be able to see some activity on the hub to show things like concurrent users. If you sign into the hub as your deployment profile, you'll get the hub welcome page. So you can see at the moment that I've got 6 concurrent sessions connected. As you can see, I built this hub today, so you can see that session usage in the past, there isn't any. But as you can see, this will build up over time. I can drill down on concurrent sessions, and you can see that there are 2 users connected to each of my environments. You can also see if there's been any failures, which in my case there hasn't. Let's scroll down a little bit. And you can see that there's 3 web engines online. So as you know, I've got a development, a test, and a production web engine. And there's none offline. If I click on that to drill down, you can see that both my development, my production, and my test environments are running. You can see under here that you've got the web engines, and also you've got the web servlets. And you can also see that my servlets are also running. And don't forget, you can always click through on the URL to run a test. If the Rocket API Gateway was running, I can see a similar set of options here. So you can see recent activity for succeeded transactions and failures. You can also see gateway connectivity, if there's any gateways running. You can also see what agents are running. So if you're using any policies or sort of user control on your web services, you can see that. And you can also see the host connectors that might be running as well. So if I go to web sessions here, you can also see the actual sessions that have been running, and you can see the ones that have ended as well. So you can see the start and end times. You can also see my API transactions have been running through the API option here. So I click at the bottom here on the instances and go to web engines. So if I click on the development one here, you can actually go to the logging tab here, and there's a log that you can have a look at, which contains some details. So you can see here, for example, that I've done some deployments. And if you want a troubleshoot log or a support package for your web engine, you can just press the button here, and this will download a troubleshoot log, as you can see in the bottom left-hand corner here. And here we have the troubleshoot log for this particular web engine. You can also create a support package, and you can send that to our support department if there are any problems for an incident that you may have raised, and that creates a zip file. So that concludes this video. Thank you very much for your time.